Jeff and Jay here with another edition of Jay's Big Adventure. Jay's the fuzzy one. And today we're going to learn how to put a big heavy motorcycle up on the center stand the proper way. The biggest problem that most people have putting the bike onto the center stand is that they are trying to lift the motorcycle. You don't want to lift the bike, you want to rock it and use the momentum of the motorcycle to pivot it up onto the stand. So here's what we're going to do. First of all, I want to make sure that when I put the bike on the center stand, the pavement underneath it is level and solid. If there's a broken piece and you put one of the legs of the stand on there, if that piece of concrete comes apart or if it sinks, then the bike can be unstable. So make sure that both legs of the center stand are going to be on a solid surface. Then I'm going to take the ball of my foot, not the arch, but the ball. I'm going to put it right on the end of the center stand, and I'm going to apply a little bit of pressure, and then I'm going to rock the bike up until both legs are on the ground. And here's the important part. The trick is I want my body weight over the ball of my foot. What I'm going to do is pull that clutch lever in to make sure the bike's not going to be hung up by the transmission. I'm going to put my weight in the center stand and then rock the bike forward and then up and back. And it's super easy. I'll show you that again. Also, when you take the bike off the stand, make sure that you put the side stand all the way forward before you put the bike down. Here again, ball of my foot right on the edge, rock it up right, get my weight over the bike. Just that simple. If you're still having trouble getting onto the center stand, make sure that you have the bike in the two-up riding position. On a modern K-bike or R-bike, use the Wonder Wheel and the menu button. I'm going to press the menu button once and twice, and now I'm going to scroll down with the Wonder Wheel, and here is where your suspension settings are. Let's see if I can get that to show up. There. Here's where your suspension settings are. The rider alone is a softer and lower rear suspension setting. So what I want to do is make sure that I've got that set on 2-up. That physically stiffens the rear shock and gives you a little more ride height in the rear. That makes it significantly easier to get up in the center stand. Thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe, please share, and we'll have another episode out soon.